Today, I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification in your Gmail account. Before we begin, it's important to understand that two-step verification is not turned off from inside the Gmail inbox itself. Instead, this setting is managed from your Google account security page. It adds an extra layer of protection to your account. So before disabling it, make sure you really want to remove that extra security step. To get started, open your browser and sign in to the Google account connected to your Gmail. After that, go to your Google account page. On the left side, click Security. If you're doing this on a phone, you can open your device settings, tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account, and go to the Security tab. Now scroll down until you see the section called How You Sign In to Google. In that section, tap or click Two-Step Verification. Google may ask you to sign in again before showing the setting. This is normal because it wants to confirm that it's really you making the change. Once the two-step verification page opens, look for the option that says Turn Off. Tap or click it, then confirm again when Google asks if you're sure. After that, two-step verification will be disabled for your account. Keep in mind that once this is turned off, you'll no longer need a second verification step when signing in. That makes login faster, but it also reduces your account security. If you saved any backup codes before, they may no longer be needed after this. And that's it. That's how to turn off two-step verification in your Gmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.